Hello friends, welcome in my channel. I'm Sharan with you, and today in this video we are gonna learn some wonderful science experiment. We will do experiment and we will create some wonderful thing. So why are you waiting for? Let's get started and enjoy the experiment.
In this experiment, we will learn to generate electricity from potato to use a calculator. Take two potatoes. Take a nail and insert in the first potato. Take another nail and insert in the second. Take a coin and insert in the first potato. Take a coin and insert in the second potato. Take a wire and join it from the coin of one potato to nail of another. Take a wire and connect to the coin. Take another wire and connect to the nail. Take a calculator and attach both the wires. You will see the calculator working properly. Here we learn that the acidic solution of the potato, zinc and copper nail can generate electricity. In this experiment, we will make a pendulum with the help of soda cans, plastic pen, wires and aluminium foil. Switch it on and leave it for... Place a soda can on the television. Place another soda can on the television. Place a plastic pen on the soda cans. Take a pendulum and place it on the pen. Take a wire and attach to the soda can. Take another wire and attach to the second soda can. Take an aluminium foil and place it on the screen of the television. Take a green wire. Let's do a new experiment. Here we learn that the circuit from the electricity of the television is completed at the ground level and hence the pendulum moves. In this experiment, we will learn to make a solar oven from a pizza box. Take a pizza box. Open the lid. Place glue on both the sides. Stick an aluminium foil at the bottom of the pizza box. Take another aluminium foil piece and stick it to the lid. Take a black construction paper and stick at the bottom of the pizza box. Close the pizza box. With the help of a paper cutter, cut the lid. Open the part of the lid which is cut. Take some glue and apply on all the sides of the pizza box. Place a plastic sheet on the box. Take a stick and place it between the lid and the pizza box. You can take a pizza, place it in the oven and put it in the open place. Close the pizza box. Let sun rays fall on the pizza box. Open the lid. You can see your pizza is ready now. In this experiment, we learned that the foil and black paper traps the solar rays and if kept for longer time in sun can cook. We will learn to generate electricity from a toy motor. Place a wooden stand. Take two DVDs. Apply glue on one of DVD. Place the second DVD on the glue. Apply glue on one of the DVD. Place the second DVD on the glue. Place the DVD on the stand. Take a bolt and fix it. Apply glue on one of the end of the stand. Place a motor on it. Join the DVDs and the toy motor with the rubber band. Fix a handle on the DVD. Take two wires and place them on the toy motor. Take a LED bulb and connect it to the wires. Rotate the handle of the DVD faster. You will see the LED bulb is glowing now. Friends, we learned that the ordinary toy motor is acting like a generator and produces a current to light a LED bulb.
So friend, that was our video. I am doing so hard guys. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment.